Hello guys, and welcome to another video from Vintage Radar. In case you have this Moonswatch issue, I'm going to show you how to reset the hands of the chronograph and how to have them all aligned to 12 o'clock. So here I have the Omega Swatch watch. You can also apply this tutorial to all Swatch watches out there that have the chronograph function. So as you can see, if I were to start the chronograph and pause it and then reset it, as you can see, all the three watch hands of the chronograph function are misaligned. So all of them should be pointing at 12 o'clock. Now, in order to align them, so to reset the chronograph hands, what we need to do is to first pull the crown to the first position. And now we are going to use the top pusher in order to reset the subdial for 1/10 of a second. You can also press one by one, or you can press and hold in order to move faster, so to speed scroll. Now we are going to use the bottom pusher in order to reset the seconds hand of the chronograph. You have aligned it at 12 o'clock, so both of them are now aligned at 12 o'clock. Now I'm going to pull the crown to the last position where you would actually be able to adjust the time. And now I'm going to use the top pusher in order to reset the subdial for the minutes. So here we have up to 60 minutes. Once again, I can press and hold in order to move faster. And as you can see, it is now perfectly aligned at 12 o'clock. Once you are done, simply push the crown all the way back in. Now we can test the chronograph. So I can start it, pause it. As you can see, the seconds hand and the subdial for 1/10 of a second both moved. We did not pass 1 minute, so that is why this one is still at 12 o'clock. And now if I reset it, all the hands should be pointing at 12 o'clock. So that was the video, guys. You now know how to align, so to reset the chronograph on your Omega Swatch watch. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you want to watch even more related content to watches, vintage watches, watch tutorials, make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'm going to see you guys on the next video.